In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversion balance in Xero. This process is an important part of maintaining accurate financial records within your accounting software. Whether you're correcting a mistake or deciding it's time to clear out outdated data, these instructions will guide you through the necessary steps with ease. To start, you'll need to navigate to Xero's main webpage, which is accessible at their official site. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on this to sign into your Xero account. Make sure you have your login details on hand for a smooth entry. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Xero homepage. Here, you're going to want to focus on the taskbar menu at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Accounting. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu with more options related to financial management. Within this drop-down, locate Accounting Settings. Clicking on this link will lead you to another page dedicated to various accounting features. One such feature is the Conversion Balances section, which is pivotal for today's task. Take a moment to find it, and once you have, go ahead and click on it. Within the Conversion Balances area, you'll see an option to choose the conversion period. This is where you'll select the specific conversion date that corresponds to the balance you intend to delete. It's important to be precise here, as choosing the correct period ensures you're working with the right data. With the conversion period now selected, the next step is to locate the specific account balance you're looking to adjust. You'll find this in the list of balances you entered for that conversion date. Once located, click into the balance line. This will open up an editable field where you'll make your adjustments. If your goal is to completely remove the balance, you can do so by deleting the figure present. Essentially, you'll be setting it to 0, effectively clearing out any nudge data previously input. Double check to make sure the figure is exactly as you want it before proceeding. Finally, make sure to click Save to update your conversion balances. This last step is crucial as it confirms any changes you've made and updates your records accordingly. Without saving, any modifications will not be applied, which could result in inaccurate financial data within your system. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted or cleared a conversion balance in Xero. Remember, regular maintenance of your financial data ensures better accuracy and helps keep your accounting in check. Thank you for watching, and if you need more tips or guidance, feel free to check out our other tutorials on managing your finances in Xero.